I'm gonna die. That's it for me.
No, we're not. Calm down. I have an idea. Give me your arm. Okay, now the other one. When I say go, push against my back, and we'll walk up the hill. Ready? Go.
Ow! You did that on purpose. Ah!
No, I didn't. Now we're gonna have to work together to get out of this, so follow my lead. Ready? Right foot.
Who's right? You're right or mine?
I don't care. Mine.
Well, why yours?
Okay, you're right. Ready?
Okay, got it.
Okay. Right. Left. Right.
Look, we're moving.
Don't look down. Now stay with me. Stay with me. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right.
Now, what? Genius.
Working on it. Okay. Here's the deal. Stretch out your neck, and I'll grab the rope.
How do I know you won't let me fall after you grab the rope?
You're just gonna have to trust me.
You know, it's a good thing you're not a big fat guy, or this would be really difficult.
Almost. Got it. It's stuck.
Take your time. No hurry here.
Scorpion! Push off!
Look out! Woo, yeah! Ooh, look at me and my bad self. I snatched you right out of the air. Oh, I'm a crumbly canyon wall, and I'm taking you with me. Well, not today, pal. Uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh.
You just saved my life.
Huh? So?
I